de la qualité.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the cosmic generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Holy cow, it's a giant elevator.
Moi, je suis, je sais pas quoi faire. Ben, nous autres non plus. C'est un gros ascenseur.
I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans.
C'est un ascenseur.
But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Gardians. Now!
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I have been watching Terrans for eons.
Not really at all.
His species has failed.
Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's created a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When?
Some kind of new jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time.
What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's King. Where's this King? The odds are impossible.
Yeah.
But it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terry, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This is what the Gardians doesn't stand a chance. What? Is the moment? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terry still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoy your free visit.
Honnêtement, c'est la première fois que je le fais. Fait que je suis comme vous autres présentement. Ouais, il vient d'ouvrir, il a ouvert au juin. Il est tout nul, le manège.
Alright, look, this is the type of
Tu t'assois ça avec Kevin ou tu t'assois avec moi?
Asseyez-vous ensemble, on va faire avec Charles. Que Kevin aussi soit
Ce qui est
avec
le fun, c'est un harnais qui descend avec, sur les jambes. Je devrais être correct. Vas-y au Genet. On croit en toi, nous autres. T'as-tu dû aller dans le 10? Mais non, Audrey.